How to fix games crashing on Windows 11. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your menu. Here tap on the option Run, and here you need to write sysdm.cpl and click on OK. Tap on Settings over here. You have to select Adjust for Best Performance. Once it is done, go back and head over to Task Manager. It will open up your files as well. Tap on System32. Select the file CMD and click on Open. Now tap on checkbox and click on OK. This interface will appear in your screen. You have to write some of the commands. Enter Windows/System32 sfc/scan now, and then simply click on Enter. Well, it will start to scan. You have to wait for a while for it to process. And once the process is completed, it will fix the problem that you have been facing in this device. So that's it, and this was our tutorial video on how to fix games crashing on Windows 11.